Hey there, science fans! Whether you work in a plant or just love learning how things work, today's topic is something you'll find in almost every industrial setting. We're diving into the world of DP transmitters, those small but mighty devices that play a huge role behind the scenes. So what exactly is a DP transmitter? The letters stand for Differential Pressure Transmitter. It might sound a bit technical, but don't worry, it's actually pretty straightforward once you break it down. Think of DP transmitters as the detectives of the industrial world, always on the lookout for clues about what's happening inside equipment. Their main job is to measure the difference in pressure between 2 points, kind of like comparing 2 different spots in a system to see what's changed. Here's a simple way to picture it. Imagine you have 2 balloons, one filled with more air than the other. The DP transmitter acts like a scale, telling you exactly how much more pressure is in one balloon compared to the other. But why does this matter? Well, pressure differences can reveal a lot about what's going on inside pipes, tanks, and other equipment. Information that's crucial for safe and efficient operation. For example, by monitoring these differences, operators can quickly spot problems or optimize processes. DP transmitters can help you figure out things like how much liquid is in a tank, how fast a fluid is moving through a pipe, or even if a filter is getting clogged and needs to be changed. So the next time you spot a DP transmitter in a plant, remember, it's not just a fancy gadget, it's a vital tool that helps keep our industries running safely, efficiently, and smoothly every single day. It's like a balancing act. Imagine trying to keep 2 sides perfectly level, just like a tightrope walker or a gymnast on a beam. That's the basic idea behind how a DP transmitter works. Okay, so we know that DP transmitters measure pressure differences, but how do they actually do it? It all comes down to balance and precision. These devices are designed to sense even the smallest changes in pressure between 2 points, which is crucial for controlling processes in industries like oil, gas, and water treatment. Imagine a seesaw. On one side you have the pressure from one point, and on the other side, you have the pressure from the other point. The seesaw tips depending on which side is heavier, just like how pressure differences work. The DP transmitter sits in the middle and measures how much the seesaw tilts. This tilt represents the difference in pressure, and the transmitter is sensitive enough to detect even tiny shifts. Inside the DP transmitter, there's a diaphragm that acts like the seesaw. This flexible membrane is the heart of the device, separating the 2 pressure sides. When one pressure is higher, it pushes on the diaphragm, causing it to move. The amount it moves depends on the difference in pressure, and this movement is incredibly precise. This movement is then converted into an electrical signal, which tells us the pressure difference. The transmitter sends this signal to control systems, helping operators make important decisions. It's like magic, but it's really just science and engineering working together to keep everything running smoothly. Just like ice cream, DP transmitters come in different flavors or types. Each type is designed to suit specific needs and applications, making it important to understand the differences before making a choice. With so many options available, it can feel a bit overwhelming at first, but don't worry, we'll break it down for you. 2 of the most common types are diaphragm DP transmitters and capacitance DP transmitters. Diaphragm DP transmitters are the most widely used. They use a single, flexible diaphragm to sense and measure the pressure difference between 2 points in a process. This design makes them reliable and suitable for a wide range of industrial applications, from oil refineries to water treatment plants. Then there are capacitance DP transmitters. These use a capacitor to measure the pressure difference. Instead of a diaphragm, they rely on changes in electrical capacitance to detect pressure variations, which can offer higher sensitivity in certain situations. A capacitor is like a tiny battery that stores energy, but in this case, it's used to sense changes in pressure by detecting how much energy it can hold. This makes capacitance transmitters especially useful for precise measurements in challenging environments. So, which type of DP transmitter is right for you? The answer depends on your specific application and what you need to measure. It's important to match the transmitter's strengths to your process requirements. Some factors to consider include the accuracy required, the type of fluid being measured, the operating pressure range, and the environment where the transmitter will be used. By understanding these factors, you can confidently choose the best DP transmitter for your needs. DP transmitters are used in a wide variety of industries, including oil and gas for measuring the flow rate of oil and gas in pipelines, water treatment for monitoring the level of water in tanks and reservoirs, food and beverage for ensuring the proper flow of ingredients during food processing and pharmaceutical for maintaining precise pressure control in pharmaceutical manufacturing. As you can see, DP transmitters play a vital role in our everyday lives, even if we don't always realize it. They're the unsung heroes of the industrial world, quietly working behind the scenes to keep things running smoothly.